Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my Kabbalistic people, remember the way we normally say that the food is sweeter, but the story is also sweeter. See, this one happened in Imo State today, the 11th day of April 2023. I don't really want to talk too much, but I want you to listen to every detail and share the video, and I'll be right back.
Good afternoon, dear friends all over the world. It's another sad day anyway. I just want to show the world what Nigerian army did to Biafran citizens. They were here yesterday, the day before yesterday, in Ikotu to Olu in Imo State to fight war with the gallant men on ground. And at the end, they left the war that they came to fight and be burning people's shop, breaking people's shop, and pack their property. This is some shop that were selling accessory. Nigeria government break their shop and pack the accessory. Break all those that were selling. These are the damages they caused. They called to put some places on fire. As you can see, so this is what they did. Then break in this shop. This shop, now then break this shop. Look at it. The whole Nigeria soldiers then break the shop and do away with the goods. This is what they did to us. So that the world will bear us witness that we say we can never be one and we will never be one. This is what they did. I took my time to show you people this so that you will see it. This is the handwork of Nigeria military. This is what they are good at. Destroying people property. And these people that own this place love this. This is what they did. This shop used to sell food items. Break everywhere. You not all this. I will still upload so other video to you people so that you see what Nigeria did to Biafran citizens. This is what they did to us. This is what they did to us. Look at what they did. They never gave us money to do market to sell market. They never build market for us. But look at what they did in Biafra land. Look at the damages they caused in our land. For nothing's sake, for no reason. Look at the world should see. The world should see what they are doing. Look at, look at. Burning people property, the money where they no be them give the people to do the business. So the person suffer, get the money, they do business. Nigeria army, Nigeria police, Nigeria every forces came and break this shop. Since it is something they cannot pack, they put it on fire. Watch. Look at it, oh. Let the world see. Let the world see what they did in the call to Imo State. And break people shop. See what Nigeria did to those of us who do not believe in Nigeria. Even those who believe in Nigeria, because this is public market. Look at what they did. Look at. Easy. Look at. Putting people's shop on fire and do away with people goods. This is Iko Tutu. This is what Nigeria did. This is what Nigeria did. This is what Nigeria did. Have you seen it? This is what Nigeria did. They break people's shop, do away with their goods. This shop now, they break it and pack the goods, then fit pack. And then the one where they no fit pack, then burn it. She. See what Nigeria did. This is what Nigeria did. Why God no go punish them? Why God no go punish them? Why God no go punish them? This is what they did. This is what they did. This is what they did. Nigeria army. They say these people should run away from their land. Look at the destruction. Look at the destruction. Look at what they did. The people. Look at what they did to people's shop. Look at. But they can never defeat us. They can never defeat us. They will never defeat us. Look at. Look at what they did. Look at. Breaking people's shop. Let me shock you that Nigeria forces are evil. They are evil. This shop here, they are broken every shop here. This shop that they sell accessory here, now then break this thing as you can see so. Then break it, enter the shop, and steal everything in the shop. Both photo, charge out everything, and do away with it. Look at what they did to people. And they say no. Look at their writing nonsense. Say no to IPOB. Country Nigeria, say no. Look at so desperate country that can never exist. Look at. This is what Nigeria army did to us. Then break this shop. The owner just go replace the key now. Look at. God will punish them. God will punish them. Share the message. Their time, their days are numbered. And believe you me, we will destroy them.
So, materialistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.